Hello everyone, my name is NURHAZIRAH binti Sulaiman. My number matric is 279056. I will presenting our introduction. As you all know, renewal of a loyalty program is sure to be profitable. One of those other owners believe that the recently introduced loyalty program will attract clients and will be handled well in its own style. Several loyalty programs demonstrate that a startup's implementation process determines the level of customer loyalty. The change made will even increase some business offers to their customers buyer.
Assalamualaikum to Doctor and everyone. My name is MAISARAH ALWANI binti Muhammad Razif and my matric number is 278981. I will continue with step 1, which is understanding. First is the need of the task. Creating a group of 5 students is the first stage in this problem-based learning activity. We choose our teammates at random and rely on their knowledge and credibility to complete the group project. To create an interactive loyalty program, our group has decided to focus on the online business store market sector known as Tudung Zone. The second one is team roles. The 5 of us go directly into a situation and organize the material based on any problems that may develop. Therefore, the primary goal is to create interesting and profitable loyalty programs that benefit customers, marketers, and both parties. Third is about target customer. The main target for these problem-based concept projects are adults between the ages of 20 to 41 and above. Last but not least is the value needed to redesign. This loyalty program for this online business is to make the customer. The purpose of redesigning this loyalty program for online businesses is to increase consumer satisfaction with a brand to satisfy their intended emotional response to a product. This could encourage potential customers to engage more frequently in the loyalty program, which would be advantageous for the marketers.
Hi, my name is NURUL, matric number 270447. I will continue this presentation for step 2, which is observe. Here are some ideas for loyalty program. First is point-based loyalty program, which will reward customer for their purchase, behavior, or specific interaction. They let customer accumulate reward point and redeem for freebies, cashback, or benefit. They can also earn points from sharing on social media, leaving review, having a birthday, or through gamification. Second idea is a tied loyalty program, which is a type of membership program where customers enjoy different loyalty program benefit depending on their rank. This customer reward program gives customer a goal. The higher their tie, the more exclusive and better reward they will receive. Next, referral program is the one of the new ideas that can be found in this scenario. This is a system that incentive previous customer to recommend the product to their family and friend. We offer 15 discount to the both the referrer and the referrer. Through the increased incentive, new customer are easily converted. Other than that, getting an invitation to an exclusive VIP group will be a strategy in loyalty program. Providing an exclusive event for customer is to build an emotional connection with them. Member-only content can increase the lifetime average value of your customer as well. The content must give them benefit and good value. This will make them feel worth and appreciated. And for the last idea, active brand community, which is a community formed on the basis of attachment to a brand. The program will unite customers through activities such as holding an exercise activity, volunteering for a charity, or sharing a story on social media. A sense of belonging in connected with people we have similar interests, and this will make them loyal to our brand. Next, we go to the interview session. We choose to conduct the interview session virtually through the distribution of Google Form to their loyal customer. This is because this method make it easier as well as save time and cost. Question determine 3 levels of certification, namely satisfied, neutral, and dissatisfied. According to the level of certification, potential customer must choose one of these 3 levels. According to the question, we will find out what is offered in the existing loyalty program and what interests them to join the loyalty program. Marketers also can figure out what customer want and develop new loyalty program based on the information. So that's all from me. I will pass to the next presenter. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi taala wabarakatuh. My name is YUNIZARATIKA binti Al-Bizar and my metric number is 279109. For my part, I will present about step 3, which is synthesize. According to our analyze, we had interviewed 3 persons in order to answer our question about Tudong Zone. For person 1, she is a student and has no income. For person 2, she is widow, and person 3, she is a housewife. For person 1, she joined loyalty program from Tudong Zone but not often, and she joined loyalty program by Tudong Zone because she want to gain more knowledge since she is a student. For person 2, she is a widow and she never joining any program loyalty from Tudong Zone, so she is not have any experience about loyalty program. For the person 3, which is housewife, and she always join loyalty program from Tudong Zone because from that she can get more promotion and save their money because they can get a lot of promotion from that. Before we generate new loyalty program from Tudong Zone, we have to identify our potential segmentation by formulating the user-centric solution. We have selected our potential segmentation that needs to be highlighted to develop attractive and profitable loyalty programs and formulate using user-centric solutions. The potential segmentation that we choose is demographic segmentation and behavioral segmentation. Demographic segmentation is a group customer and potential customer together by focusing on certain traits such as age, material status, occupation, and income. Meanwhile, behavioral segmentation is divides customer into segments depending on their behavior pattern when interacting with a particular business or website. For behavioral segmentation, we ask the customer enjoy when you online shopping, they often join loyalty program, and so on. Since we use user-centric solution, we have to do these 4 steps for Tudong Zone. The first one, needs and wants. Every needs and wants from customer are different according to their age, marital status, income, and occupation. It also differs based on their behavior when buying the product. The second one is business requirements. Tudong Zone has produced their product according to their customers' needs so that they know what kind of product that customers want. They also has to know when usually the customer buying the product. The third one is user experience. User experience is important in business because they can improve their product to be better than before. Customers always like innovation product, so Tudong Zone has to make improvement of their product. And the last one is solutions. To achieve customers' needs and wants based on their demographic and behavioral segmentations, Tudong Zone have to do these 3 ways, which is the first one, give more rewards on loyalty program. The second one, produce new design that more elegant, and the third one, suitable price for all users.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is EZATI SYAZLIA binti Mahadi, metric number 278293. Today, I will continue the presentation, which is step 4. Step 4, to generate loyalty program that meet the taste of user and bring profit to the markets. A customer loyalty program and reward program is a customer retention strategy that motivates customer to continue buying from our brand instead of competitor. In the process of determining the type of loyalty program that will be developed and innovated in the Tudong Zone HQ, group members were represented with several ideas, namely popular idea, most radical idea, and practical idea. The idea that I mentioned before is the popular idea. The example is tier-based program. And the second most idea radical is the referrals program. And the lastly practical idea, the example is community brand.
So I will continue with step 5. As you all see on the slides, there are one of the picture given that is part of the pamphlet for our loyalty program that we already choose. The content of the pamphlet is like the features, characteristics, brand names, and benefits for potential customers and service providers. The content of this pamphlet can be get more details on the link stated. So that's all for our prototype. For this part, we will move to the next presenter.
Step 6 is preparing an evaluation from the vital of evaluated how the potential customer perceive the construction loyalty program. It allowed them to give the value feedback needed in order to know how well the loyalty program and is how to make the better for the future for us. Moreover, having the ability to evaluate the loyalty program delivery benefit in both ways, whereby the markets and can identify the specific demand and customer preference towards the program, while the customer can voice out their opinion of what their related matter. Therefore, preparing an evaluation from is a must to ensure the rewards are fresh and attractive as well to enhance customer engagement to participate more in the loyalty program. There are 3 significant steps of loyalty being asked in the evaluation from the which is on retention, allocation, and purchasing loyalty. Each this ensure distinct level of degree penetrating to the loyalty program.
It can be seen from the interview session that each of these customers perceive the fresh developed loyalty program differently. These 10 customers deliver their feelings and attitudes contrastingly upon this loyalty program. 20 years old students together with early 40 females were attracted by this loyalty program, and it influences their purchasing behavior to be increased. It was a great experience to have the opportunity to hold an interview session with these 10 selected Tudong Zone HQ customers to know their perception and how they perceive the new developed attractive loyalty program. It can be said that this interview session can be related to the regulatory focus theory.
In conclusion, Tudong Zone's new loyalty program will affect how appealing it is to customers. The advantages acquired from this change as a whole will raise the market price of this business even further. The implementation of a new loyalty program will also improve the advantage returned to business owners, raising the perceived value of the product in the eyes of customers. The development of a loyalty program for each product has the same overall objective, which is to increase profit. That's all from our group. Thank you.